Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another Destash video. The Destashes are PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older, and please pay within an hour receipt of email confirmation. You can email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. The comments below will be disabled, so you'll need to be sure to email me at this email address if you're interested. So this one is a Christmas lot, and this is $50 ship. So let's get started. So I have these super cute grab boxes. They're called gable boxes. I'm sorry. They're let's see how many are in here. 10 piece. You just fold them together, and there's really pretty gold. And then I have 2 packs of these boxes, and these are the same type of boxes. This is 6 piece, and they're clear. And I have 2 packs of those. And then next up we have some ephemera from Vicki Boutin, and this is the Evergreen Holly collection. It's a 50 piece, super pretty. It's like it's busting through the packaging and wants to get out and be used, so super pretty. And then I also have this scrapbook.com 41 piece set. It's called Candy Cane Lane. And I don't think that's what you get in here, but some, Christmas type designs. And then I have this from American Craft, this Joyful Thicker set, black and gold with Mary, Believe, Decked Out, Joyful, Love. And then on the back we have Snuggle, Wonder, Happy, Holiday. All sorts of words there. And I also have this set of embossing folders from Anna Griffin. They are the long ones. We have the poinsettias here. Super pretty. Can't really show you. Let's see if this will help. Oh, that doesn't help. Sorry. So we have poinsettias here. And then we have Christmas trees. And I'm sorry, it's a 3-piece set. And then we have some really cute ornaments. Really pretty. I hope you can see those. And then next up, we have 2 stencils. One's from, who is this by? Photo Play. And it's a 3-piece to make this really pretty poinsettia and the word peace. And then we have this one from Trinity Stamps that makes the most adorable, kind of like a slimline for a slimline card Christmas tree. Really pretty. Sorry you can't see that better. Then from Heidi Swap, we have this cookie cutter, and it says Noel. From Vicki Boutin, we have this chipboard stickers. And this is the Evergreen Holly. It goes along with the ephemera that I showed you. Super cute. Look at that. That's a cute snowman. And then also the paper pad. It is 48 sheets. This is a new paper pad. And it has 48 designs, it says. So that's pretty neat. Some cut aparts. Look at those pretty roofs. Oops, sorry. And it's double-sided. Like these envelopes. I'll try to show those again. Oh well, I can't find them. Let's see. Right there. Little envelopes. Cute. So that's the paper pad. Then we have 2 wood stamps. One that says, "May the spirit of the season warm your heart all year long." And then this super cute little ginger man with the big old bow. This is adorable. And then I have several other things here. Let me bring them over. I have this super simple word dies, kind of like in the font of, I can't think of her name. Sorry. And then this Hello Greetings from Hero Arts. This die set from Spellbinders. It's the reindeer. And another one for the snowman. Another, for the Santa. And then the Soul Man. And then I have this Spellbinders die. This one here. And these really unique stockings. Another die. A candy cane and candy and some holly and then berries. I have this, it's a stencil and die. This one here. Cute little one here. This one here. It's a puppy. And then this from Heidi Swap, this December die. Honeybee, say be merry. And at the die from this Birch Blueprint die collection, Birch Press design. This piece, this is a sugar script, and this layering ornament. It's so pretty. 3 pieces. And then the Simon Says stamp. This one is called Winter Flowers, and you get the die set. This gingerbread A2 photo card by Stephanie Bernard with the instructions. This is a die. The Stamps of Life greetings. Gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. I think this goes with the gingerbread. And then these cute little stamp sets for Stamp and Die sets from DCWV. This one here. And then one last 4 wood stamps from Stamping Up. And I went ahead and put this one in here because I guess the little bear dancing could be for Christmas. And this little bear here could be for birthday, Halloween, fall, or Halloween. So that's it. So once again, it's PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. Email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. And this is lot 3 or box 3, and it is $45 shipped. So thank you.